and I work at Impact Wealth Management. Colby has come to take our staff photos. So we heard about Colby through another photographer that unfortunately had to have back surgery, and so he pretty much told us that Colby is your guy, and we said, okay. Our experience with Colby through the photo shoot and through the whole process has been amazing. He's been very attentive to our needs as far as color scheme, how many people, whether or not we want to have a real background or do a composite type background. And he has been so professional, so kind. He came out and met with us to do a preview kind of what we needed, and on the day of, he was prompt and was here exactly when he said he'd be here. Would highly recommend him. Very professional, silly, funny, makes everyone just laugh, and just is also very comfortable to be around. So that's something you really want on a day of staff photos.